Lucas. Call Kevin.
Hello?
Hello?
Kevin?
Lucas?
Hey, what's up?
Not much. Just playing games.
Cool. So, what's up?
What do you mean? I just told you what's up.
Well, why did you call?
You called me.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't. My phone was ringing.
My phone was ringing.
But, are you messing with me?
No, you're messing with me.
Kevin, stop playing games. You called me. What do you want?
I don't want anything. You called me. What do you want?
I don't have time for this.
Good. See you later.
What just happened?
Call again.
Hello?
Hello?
Kevin, stop calling!
You're calling me.
No, I'm not!
What was that?
Is that Timmy?